Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our channel, Walker Family Las Vegas channel. As everyone knows that we live in Nevada, and here it is a desert. So we always get wind warnings, wind advisory, and wind alerts on our apps. So we just want to share with you our experience today. Today is December 26, 2021. It is a Sunday, and we're supposed to go to church today, but we canceled it because of the weather alerts. We woke up this morning and we were so scared. We saw our windows shaking and we heard the winds outside. It is very windy until now, and it is very scary because when you hear the wind outside, how strong it is and how it destroys backyards, so that for us is already scary. So we are going to share with you guys a few clips of our neighbor's backyard, in our backyard, in the trail on our backyard, so that you will see and firsthand what's happening when there is a windstorm outside. Also, we are sharing with you the tips that we found online on different sites that also we can get some information and help us in preparing for these windy days. And of course, how to be safe during wind alerts or warnings. All right, thank you so much and hope you find our channel helpful today. And be safe, everyone. Bye. Safety tips on severe wind advisory in Nevada. How can I protect my home from wind? Secure outdoor objects like furniture, gutters, and downspouts. Seal cracks and gaps. Prevent wind or water from coming in. Make sure your caulking around windows and doors is in good shape and not cracked. If winds are severe enough to prevent safe driving, pull over into a safe parking area and stop. Make sure you are away from trees, power lines, or other tall objects that could fall into your vehicle. Always be safe. Take shelter. Immediately go inside a sturdy building during a high wind warning or severe thunderstorm warning and move to an interior room or basement. If you're in a mobile home, move to a sturdy building before the wind picks up or the storm system reaches your locations. An extreme threat to life and property from high wind. Damaging high wind with sustained speeds greater than 58 miles per hour or frequent wind gusts greater than 58 miles per hour. Damaging wind conditions are consistent with a high wind warning. Weather app on my phone always sends an alert every time there is a weather warning. So please download that weather alerts app on your phone so you can always be notified. Also, AccuWeather app is another reliable app when it comes to weather alerts and information. I also downloaded that app because sometimes the other app has different information and this one has a new one too. It helps. What is the difference between a wind advisory and wind warning? High wind watch, be prepared. NWS offices issue this product based on local criteria. Wind advisory, take action. Strong winds are occurring but are not strong as to warrant a high wind warning object. What is a high wind warning? The National Weather Service issues high wind watches and warnings when these potentially dangerous winds are either possible or expected. An example of NWS high wind warnings issued on December 15, 2021 for the National Weather midsection in December 15, 2009. Is Las Vegas always windy? On those days when the Mojave hairdryer is set to high 110 degrees with a breeze, Las Vegas can seem a very windy place. Relatively speaking, it's not. The city's average annual wind speed is 9.2 miles per hour, which experts say puts into a category not so windy. So this was taken from our backyard. Would like everyone to see and hear the high winds that happened this morning. This is how windy it gets here, and sometimes it's worse. So I would like to ask everyone to please be safe and always be alert of whatever in your surroundings so that we can all be safe. Thank you and have fun watching our videos. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to our channel. Please leave a comment. If you have any question about weather in Nevada, we would like you to leave a comment so we can get back to you as soon as we can. All right, be safe everyone. Second.